Hello, good day everyone. I'm by the names of Brian. I'm currently working with Open Vision Tourism as a marketing manager, as well as a tours manager. I thank Blue Ocean Academy for shaping my dream in the tourism industry. For the past years, I used to work as a sales executive as well as a supervisor, but I decided to change my course so that I can come into the tourism industry, and indeed, I really appreciate Mr. Abhishek, Madam Magma. They were really there for me in the time that I needed them the most, and right now I am an IATA certified agent. Thanks to Blue Ocean, I recommend this place for everyone. They have a very good work atmosphere, they have good technical skills that they offer, and indeed they are the reason as to why right now I'm where I am. Thank you, Blue Ocean.